Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by defining exactly what you must monitor and why. This prevents rework. Create a header row with ID, date, owner, status, KPI, and notes. Once done, choose time granularity, daily for operations, weekly for trends, monthly for summaries, and pick data types so Excel treats numbers versus text correctly. Make a simple data entry sheet or connect and import CSV/form 1099 so future updates are consistent and follow a predictable pattern. Next, turn your range into an Excel table to get structured references and automatic expansion. Add calculated columns, a status rule that flags late items, a percentage change column for KPIs, and a 7 or 30-day rolling average to smooth noise. Use data validation lists for owner and status to keep entries consistent, and create named ranges for key metrics so formulas stay readable. Once done, lock calculated cells and freeze the header row so navigation is frictionless during review. Finally, build a pivot table and a compact chart dashboard that points to the table so visuals update automatically. Apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers and use Power Query or a simple macro to refresh imports and append new rows. Make a final review. Verify date formats, confirm numeric types, and test a manual data entry to ensure formulas recalculate. If things go wrong, check for mixed data types, broken references, or table name changes. Correcting those fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.